Hi everyone, it's Pooja. Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I will be showing you all how I achieved this yellow summer inspired makeup look. So if you are interested to know how I got this look, then you should keep on watching. Before jumping into the video guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all of my social media, and now guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna start off by putting on primer on my concern area, like my T-zone, because that is the area where I get oily most and I have little bit pores issue, and I'm just going to blend that with the help of my finger. So primer is so important because it will really helps to minimize your pores, and also it gives very smooth skin for a further makeup. Now guys, to add little bit of glow on my face, for that I'll be using this Color Bar Skin Illuminating Lotion, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and I'm just blending it with the help of my finger. By the way, I really like this Skin Illuminating Lotion because it has such a nice golden tint to it, which really gives that within kind of glow on my skin, you can see. Now I'm going to apply this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation all over my face. By the way, आपकी बहन ने इसका पम्प ख़राब कर दिया है, so any which ways मुझे इसको ऐसे ही अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. And with the help of a beauty blender, like this blender is from Real Technique, and I'm just going to blend this foundation out. I really like this foundation because it has such a nice coverage, and guys, you can see it blend out very perfectly and very seamlessly. So now I'm going to use this sugar concealer to conceal my imperfection as well as to highlight. So basically I'm just going to apply that around my eyes and on my forehead, bridge of my nose, around my mouth, and cupid bow and chin. By the way guys, this concealer is such a great concealer. It is bit expensive guys, but it really like serves the purpose in such a great way, and I really like this concealer. And now guys, with the help of same beauty blender, I'm just going to blend out all of the cream product that my face have. Now guys, to set everything in place, for that I'll be using this Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder, and I'm just going to apply that with the help of beauty blender, like around my eyes and basically everywhere where I have applied the concealer. And I really like this powder. It like instantly make my makeup look so flawless and so good, like basically. And I'm just setting my whole face with the same as well. Now guys, to define my face, I'll be using this Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, and with the help of this large fan brush, I'm just going to bronze up my face, like the hollow of my cheeks, my forehead, and also on my jawline. I really like to like blend everything on my hairline just to look everything very soft, very blended, and very natural at the same time. Now guys, I'm going to use the same powder to cut my cheeks just to look my face very crisp and very sharp at the same time. Now to add some color on my cheeks, for that I'll be using this Color Bar Matte Illusion Blush, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks. So basically guys, I'm trying to blend that out with the bronzer so it will look more natural and blended. Now guys, I'm going to dust off the powder which I have used to cut my cheeks. Now I'm going to do my eyebrow. For that I'll be using this Freedom Eyebrow Powder, and I'm just going to do my eyebrow. So basically what I will do is first I will outline my eyebrow, and then I'm just going to fill the sparse area following the natural shape of my eyebrow. And now I'm just going to comb my eyebrow just to distribute all of the product. Now guys, I will start doing my eye makeup. So for that I'll be using the same Physician Formula bronzer, and I'm just going to buff that on my crease, and I'm just taking it outward little bit. Now guys, I'm going to use this palette which I have brought from local market, and I'm going to use this yellow color from the same palette, and with the help of flat brush I'm just going to apply this yellow color all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to pick this bronze color and I'm just going to apply that on my outer V first, and then I'm going to blend that with the yellow color, focusing on my crease. Now I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Felt Tip eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to draw a very thin eyeliner close to my lashes just to hide the lash bands. Now I'm gonna work on my lower lashes. So basically first I'm going to apply the same bronzer on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to pick this color up again, and I'm just blending both of these color together just to add some definition to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply this PAC nude eye pencil, and I'm just going to tightline my waterline using the same. And for my mascara, I'll be using this Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm just going to apply that on my top and bottom lashes. By the way guys, I have applied the false eyelashes off camera, and I think this one is from Amazon. I will give you the link if I'll find one. And to highlight my inner corner, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I'll mention the shade in the bottom bar so you guys can check that out. And now to highlight my face, I'll be using this MAC Extra Dimension highlighter. I'll mention the shade in the bottom bar, and I'm just going to highlight the highest point of my face, like my cheekbones, my brow bones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and little bit on my forehead, cupid bow, and chin. Now I'm going to take a quick shower in this makeup fixer from PAC just to set all of my makeup in place. And next up guys, I'll be taking this beauty blender, and I'm just going to run it all over my face just to soak up all of the excess thing that my face have. And guys, for my lips I'll be using this NYX Powder Puff lipstick, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. I really like this color. This is such a nice nude color. And yes guys, here I complete my makeup. This is my final look. I hope you guys liked this video, you enjoyed watching my video, and if you really did so, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family. It means world to me. And thanks for all of your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care.